In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add an image to a new board and rotate it with precision using the tools built right into Miro. First, open your browser and head to Miro.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your dashboard. From there, look for the option to create something new and choose to start a brand new board. This gives you a clean canvas to work on and keeps the process straightforward. Once your board opens, you'll use the content toolbar to bring in your image. Click the plus icon to open the creation menu. If you don't see the option you need right away, scroll through the menu until you find upload. Click upload, then choose my device. This lets you pick a file from your computer, select the image you want, and click open. Miro will place the image on your board, and you can click once to make sure it's selected. Now to rotate the image, simply hover your mouse over it. When the image is selected, you'll notice a curved rotate icon appear just outside one of the corners. This is the handle that controls rotation. Click and hold that rotate handle, then drag your mouse left or right to turn the image. As you rotate, pay attention to the angle indicator that appears. It helps you see how far you've turned the image. If you want cleaner, more precise angles, hold the Shift key while you rotate. This makes the image snap to common angles, like 0, 45, or 90 degrees, which is great for aligning graphics or keeping layouts tidy. For fine adjustments, zoom in a bit so the rotation feels less sensitive and you can dial in the exact angle you want. When you're happy with the orientation, release the mouse to set it in place. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If the image feels hard to grab, make sure it's selected and not grouped with other objects. You can also reposition the image by dragging it and resize it using the corner handles before or after rotating. If you'd like it perfectly upright again, rotate until the angle indicator returns to 0 or use Shift to snap it back. That's all there is to it. You opened a new board, uploaded an image from your device, hovered to reveal the rotate icon, and used the rotate handle to set the exact angle you needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating in Miro.